Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to fix videos not playing on Discord. So just let's start. So there are three things that you guys want to make sure. The first thing is that you guys are connected to a good internet connection, and the second thing is just open up your browser and search their Discord server status and make sure from the first website that the all systems of Discord are operational. After checking up these two things, just close your browser and go into your task manager. After going to your task manager, just search your Discord and just right click on it and click on end task. So after clicking up on end task, your problem of videos not playing on Discord will be fixed, and that's how you guys can easily fix your problem of videos not playing on Discord. Discover the secrets to mastering Discord server creation and bot development with our comprehensive step-by-step course. Elevate your skills and become a Discord expert today. Check out the link in the description to get started. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.